In a small bowl or cup, combine all pad thai sauce ingredients. A third cup chicken stock, rice vinegar 3 tablespoons, lime juice 1 tablespoon, brown sugar 3 to 4 tablespoons, fish sauce 2 tablespoons, soy sauce 1 tablespoon, cayenne pepper 1/4 teaspoon. Toss sliced chicken in 1 tablespoon soy sauce and set aside. Bring a large pot of water to boil, then switch off heat. Drop in noodles and soak 3 to 4 minutes, or until noodles are limp but still firm and a little uncooked. Warm a wok or large frying pan over medium-high heat. Add 2 tablespoons oil and swirl around. Then add the white parts of the onion, plus garlic, galangal or ginger, and chili. Stir fry 1 minute. Add chicken and stir fry 2 minutes, or until opaque when cut through. Add shrimp and continue stir frying 2 to 3 more minutes, or until shrimp are pink and plump. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the pad thai sauce. Push ingredients apart, making room in the center of your wok or pan and crack in the egg. Stir fry quickly to scramble, 30 seconds to 1 minute. Add the noodles and a third of pad thai sauce. Stir fry everything together. Keep heat between medium and high. Add more sauce every 30 seconds to 1 minute. Continue stir frying until sauce is gone and noodles begin to get sticky. Will take around 5 to 7 minutes. Turn off heat. Fold in bean sprouts. Sprinkle over the green onion, nuts, and coriander.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And smash that subscribe button.